Story Squires, David Irwin here from David Irwin Designs, and today we are going to start our new tutorial series. It's called 60 Second Sunday. The reason it's called 60 Second Sunday is because the tutorials are short, they only take 60 seconds. The video might be longer, but the actual tutorial is only 60 seconds. It can be bite-sized information, probably a lot of them split over a number of weeks. I'm thinking about adding a second video series to the channel as well, called Wednesday or Wonderful Wednesday. I don't know, alliteration. I like alliteration. I stole the idea from Peter McKinnon. So I don't think he's going to sue me. I don't think he can sue someone for the title of a YouTube video. I really hope you can't sue someone for the title of a YouTube video. Anyway, we'll worry about that later on. 60 Second Monday, 60 Second Sunday. Minute Monday is what it would have been if I had been tomorrow. That's right. 60 Second Sunday. The very first thing we're going to talk about is the type tool in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's just jump into Photoshop, I guess. Jump into Photoshop. How do YouTubers do this? How do they keep up the energy? I want to go to sleep. But Photoshop it is. The type tool can be found in Photoshop on the left-hand side of the screen, as denoted by the symbol T. It's good to use short codes, or shortcuts. So you can also reach it by pressing T on your keyboard, which is also unsurprising. T for type. There's actually 4 different kinds of type tool. There's the type horizontal, which most people will use. The type vertical, which allows you to type vertically and fixes the spacing almost. You still have to do some things with certain typefaces, but still, you know, it's a good start. There's the type in a mask horizontal and the type in a mask vertical. I will go into those in more detail in a later 1-minute tutorial. So, as you can see, these are the various different types of the type tool on screen. If it gets any more complicated than that, you're doing Photoshop wrong. So guys, there it is, 60 Second Monday, the type tool, and we have completed the tutorial. Thanks very much for joining us. I've been David Irwin. I'm still David Irwin. I'm always David Irwin. Whatever. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you in the next one. Let's launch it.